Good day. In this video we're going to look at inequalities. It is part of the grade 10 and older syllabus, but some schools do it in grade 9. We're just going to do the basics. Inequalities are very much the same as equations with one exception. Let's see if we can teach you that. Firstly, you must know how to read an inequality. This one says 2 is smaller than 3, or read from this side, 3 is bigger than 2. This sign has got a small side and a big side. There's a small sharp side and a big side. The big number goes to the big side and the small number goes to the small side. Then we understand the reading. 2 is smaller than 3, or 3 is bigger than 2. Now, if we times by -1 on both sides, you'll see I left out the relation sign. You will get -2 on this side and -3 on this side. If you now look at these two numbers, you'll see this one is bigger than that one, or this one is smaller than that one, which we'll write like this, and then you'll see this sign swapped around because we times by a negative on both sides. Now, if you compare -1 and -4, you'll see -4 is smaller than -1, or -1 is bigger than -4. If you divide by -1 on both sides, you will get a +1 on this side and a +4 on this side. Now, comparing the two numbers, you'll see this one is bigger than that one, or this one is smaller than that one. If you now put in your relation sign, you will see that it swapped around from there. To make it read right, 1 is smaller than 4, or 4 is bigger than 1. So this gives us the only rule that makes an inequality different from an equation. If you times by a negative on both sides, the sign swaps around. If you divide by a negative on both sides, the sign swaps around. We will now make a few videos to explain practical examples of where this is used, but please indicate if you liked or disliked this video, and please subscribe to the channel. If there's anything in inequalities that you don't understand, please send that problem with a WhatsApp photo to this number. We will try and solve your problem and send back an answer to you as soon as possible. Enjoy mathematics.